Welcome to our OSHA Focal Point series. I'm Dr. John Mulroy, Director of the Pennsylvania OSHA Consultation Program, housed in the world-renowned Safety Sciences Department here at Indiana University of Pennsylvania. These videos were created with the essential, need-to-know OSHA compliance information to supplement your safety and health training. Addressing OSHA's most frequently cited standards, like lockout-tagout, fall protection, hazard communication, and machine guarding, these videos can help your organization anticipate, identify, evaluate, and control workplace safety and health hazards. We hope these critical OSHA focal points assist you in preventing future injuries and illnesses. If you still have questions or you need no-cost OSHA compliance assistance, we're here to help. All you need to do is reach out to us at IUP using the link below and request this no-cost OSHA compliance assistance service. It's that easy. Thank you for choosing the Focal Points video series. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to be the first to know when new safety and health content is added to this channel. Have a safe day, everyone. Today's topic is personal protective equipment in general industry. The purpose of today's topic is to provide you with the essential, need-to-know information about the hazards associated with personal protective equipment. During this short presentation, we will briefly discuss the following topics, which include: what is the hierarchy of controls, and what are the different types of PPE found on the job site? To begin with, employers must protect employees by assessing the workplace and eliminating and reducing the hazards found using engineering and administrative controls, and utilize all appropriate personal protective equipment. And remember, personal protective equipment is the least effective control. Elimination and substitution. This is the highest level of protection. It eliminates the hazard from the workplace. Substitution may include using a safer item or substance, or even using the same chemical but in a different form. Engineering controls. These are physical changes made to the workplace, such as isolation, ventilation, equipment modification. Administrative controls require the worker or the employer to do something, like operating procedures, work permits, safe work practices, housekeeping, supervision, training, alarms, signs, and warnings. PPE controls. Again, the least effective. This requires the worker to wear something, like a vest, a respirator, safety glasses, a welding helmet, steel-toe boots, or hearing protection. With head protection, the frequent cause of head injuries include falling objects from above, bumping your head against a fixed object, or accidental contact with electrical hazards. Classes of hard hats include Class G, or General. This protects against impact and penetration but provides low voltage electrical protection. Class E, or Electrical, is designed for the electrical and utility industry. It protects against falling objects and impact and also provides electrical protection against high voltage up to 20,000 volts. And a Class C hard hat is designed for comfort. It offers limited protection. It protects heads that may bump against fixed objects. Eye and face protection can include safety glasses, safety goggles, welding shields, or face shields. Common eye hazards include dust, flying particles, harmful chemicals, and intense light from welding and lasers. When selecting eye and face protection, we need to consider the equipment's ability to protect against workplace hazards, that it should fit properly, that it should provide unrestricted vision and movement, is durable and cleanable, and allows unrestricted functioning of other PPE. Eye and face protection needs to protect against flying particles from wood, metal, cement, plastics, or other materials, and airborne particulates such as ash, dust, embers, sandblast, or grit. Prescription glasses. Employees who use prescription glasses while performing operations with eye hazards need to either incorporate the prescription in its design or use safety glasses over top. Goggles. Goggles protect the eyes and the face area immediately surrounding the eyes from impacts, dust, and splashes, and goggles can sometimes be used over corrective lenses if they fit. Face shields protect our faces from nuisance dust and potential splashes or sprays from hazardous liquids. These shields do not protect from impact hazards unless they're specifically rated. Shields are for face protection, not eye protection. In order to effectively protect your eyes, wear safety glasses with side shield or goggles underneath your face shield. Welding shields protect our eyes from burns caused by infrared or intense radiant light, and they protect our eyes from flying sparks, metal spatter, or slag chips. Hand and arm protection. Potential hazards for hands are skin absorption of hazardous substances, lacerations or severe cuts, punctures, chemical or thermal burns, and extreme temperatures. Glove types include anti-vibration, chemical resistant, leather, heat resistant, cut resistant, or permeation resistant. Foot and leg protection. Causes of foot injuries are heavy objects, sharp objects, molten metal, hot surfaces, slippery or wet surfaces, and electrical hazards. Examples of foot protection include impact-resistant toe or instep, including a steel or composite cap built into your work boot, heat-resistant soles, metal shanks, or specialty footwear. Body protection. This provides protective clothing for those parts of the body exposed to possible injuries. Types of body protection include laboratory coats, coveralls, vests, jackets, aprons, gowns, and full body suits. Selection of body protection. There's a variety of materials available to effectively protect against particular hazards. These include paper, treated wool or cotton, duck fabrics, leather, rubberized, neoprene, and plastics. Training requirements. Any employee who is required to wear PPE must be trained to know when that PPE is necessary, what PPE is necessary, how to properly put it on, take it off, adjust it, and wear it. It's also important to know what the limitations of that PPE are, and how to properly care, maintain, and ensure a useful life and properly dispose of any used PPE. The employer is required to perform a hazard assessment, provide appropriate PPE to its workers, train employees, maintain and replace PPE when necessary, and review and update and evaluate the written PPE program. For general industry, this hazard assessment must be certified and in writing. The employee is required to properly wear PPE, attend any available PPE training, care for, clean, and maintain PPE, and inform the supervisor of needs for any repair or any replacement. To get more help on personal protective equipment in general industry, see OSHA.gov. Thank you.